It is a UVC Scans Plus. This is a 360 degrees conveyor-based disinfection system. This can be used with the multiple applications, starting from residential up to an apartment. You know, nowadays with Corona, we all are totally worried. What is coming in our hands? We are more panic in all the current pandemic conditions. So we have invented a UVC Scans Plus. This is a 360 degrees conveyor system with a temperature control, with auto temperature detection system. The moment the person keeps the bag here, he can move over there and there is a temperature, infrared touchless temperature scanner is there, and which will automatically capture your photograph and it will send to a cloud. We have developed our own software wherein this entire data can be captured with the photograph image, and this data can be used in a centralized server by any government officials. We are free to share all this data with the government officials. They can see the data, number of people coming, and their temperature along with the temperature readings. If any abnormality, the government can take respective action. Nowadays, we have a temperature measurement system by manual mode, but where no data is being captured. So the UVC scans not only disinfect your objects in 360 degrees, this can also monitor and keep the track of the people using this device. Another important thing is there is ultra lamps can kill all sort of bacteria and viruses. There are enough case studies available across the globe. Now UVC scans, the difference what we did is we have made this conveyor which can be controlled from 15 seconds. It can be taken up to 1 minute. So you can control based on your objects. There is a touch screen display we have arranged here. So wherein you can simply control your temperature, how much, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. There are 7 UV lamps placed in 360 degrees in this compartment. The moment the bag is placed, it will travel through. So there is no UV lamp exposed outside. So you are completely safe. So you are not touching any UV lamps. And none of your food products or bags or anything, no chemical we are putting on the products. So this is touchless 360 degrees UV disinfection process. And once you take your bag, you go the other side, there is a sanitizer. So where you will sanitize your hands and you will pick your bag and just move on. So this is ideally ports, schools, apartments, residential apartment, offices, government institutes, hospitals. You know, we are very much worried about the hospitals, mask, anything you can just leave it here, it will go and it will be disinfected once you go the other side. So this is as simple as it is for us to use this product, and we have developed this product. It is 100% made in India. We have got all sort of engineering done in-house, and we are ready with the commercial production now. Thank you.
The hands. Safe lives. Your safety first.